This week's tutorial is on how to make a badge in Illustrator. We're going to use this image with Thanos and the Infinity Gauntlet as our inspiration. So our assignment is to make a badge in Illustrator, and this takes longer than 2 minutes. I've got to admit that. So what you're looking at is a rounded rectangle with a regular rectangle that I used to make the ribbon with, some text over top, and then an Infinity Gauntlet that I traced out with the pen tool. The idea is that you get this badge with different completed components of an upcoming course, and for each component of the course you'll earn a different star that gets placed on the badge. So there'll be 6 badges in total as you progress, and then when you're finished you'll have one with all of the stars that are the same colors as the stones on the Infinity Gauntlet. So let's take a look at what that'll look like as a finished product. And here we see examples of each of the badges that you would earn as you go through the course.